Hello everyone, welcome to the session of What is Hadoop? So, before starting with Hadoop introduction, let's understand the concept of distributed file system. Let's say we have to read 1 TB of data. Now, we have 4 input-output channels. Each channel reads 100 MB per second. So, on one side we have a single machine and on another side we have 10 machines. We have to find the time taken to read 1 TB through one machine versus 10 machines. Also, we have said that there are 4 input-output channels and each channel takes 100 MB per second. Now, what is the solution by one machine? So, when we solved the same by using only one machine, it took approx 43 minutes. Whereas, solving the same problem by 10 machines took only 4.3 minutes. Therefore, solving a problem with more number of servers happens quickly. So this is the base of Hadoop. Now, what is Hadoop? Apache Hadoop is a framework that allows for distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of commodity computers using a simple programming model. And it is an open source data management with scale out storage and distributed processing. So, how Hadoop came into existence and why is it so popular in the industry nowadays? So, it all started with 2 people, Mike Kefrela and Doug Cutting, who were in the process of building a search engine system that can index 1 billion pages. After their research, they estimated that such a system will cost around $500,000 in hardware, with a monthly running cost of $30,000, which is quite expensive. However, they soon realized that their architecture will not be capable enough to work around with billions of pages on the web. They came across a paper published in 2003 that described the architecture of Google Distributed File System called GFS, which was being used in production at Google. Now, this paper on GFS proved to be something that they were looking for, and soon they realized that it would solve all their problems of storing very large files that are generated as a part of the web crawl and indexing process. Later in 2004, Google published one more paper that introduced MapReduce to the world. Finally, these 2 papers led to the foundation of the framework called Hadoop. Doug quoted on Google's contribution to the development of Hadoop framework. Google is living a few years in the future and sending the rest of us messages. So by now, you would have realized how powerful Hadoop is. So that's all with the introduction to what is Hadoop. Thank you.